Okay, students. So today we will be discussing about the thermodynamic processes. Thermodynamic processes. Okay. So before we go into thermodynamics processes, let me just get a brief revision of what is a microscopic view. Microscopic microscopic view and macroscopic view. So in which we are not bothered about the individual molecules or atoms, then it is known as macroscopic view. If we are bothered about the individual or your molecules or atoms, then it is known as macroscopic view. Okay, this is also known as statistical thermodynamics. Statistical thermodynamics, and this is known as classical. Okay, so these are a few things that we need to revise. Then next we need to look into the heat and work. So let us first look at work. Okay, so if you remember, let us consider one cycle like this. So you have a cylinder, then there is a piston in it. So this is a piston, this is cylinder piston arrangement. Let us say there aren't any walls. Okay, and let me just make it an insulated system. Okay, which type of a system is this? What type of system is this? There is no open valves, the system is insulated. Then what is it called? Which type of a system? Let me say that there is a gas in trapped in between the system and the piston. So what is it called? Just hold on for a second, students. Hello, sorry for the disturbance, students. So what is it called? What type of system is called? Students, please respond. Anyone can respond, please. Dinesh, 326, Dinesh. Dinesh. this type of a system is known as isolated system. So for an isolated system, if you remember, E is equal E transfer is not permitted, as well as mass transfer is also not permitted. So if there is no mass transfer, there is no energy transfer, then work done will be equal to 0. Okay. Now let us proceed further. Let us say that we have a piston and cylinder arrangement like this. Okay. And in this piston and cylinder arrangement, you have a gas entrapped. So there is a gas entrapped here. Okay. And then there is no walls, still no walls, but we are providing a heated plate here. Hot plate. So as soon as you provide an hot plate, heat from here tries to flow to the gas. So what will happen? Gas will get expand. So from here, it is expanding to say this point. So let us say that the new position of the piston is this. Since the piston is allowed to move, so piston will move like this. Okay, let us say this is position 1, this is position 2. So at this position 1, there will be some pressure P1, there will be some temperature volume will V1, there will be some temperature T1. Similarly at 2, you will have pressure 2, volume 2 and temperature 2. But we know that we know that P1 V1 is equals to MR T1. Similarly, P2 V2 is equals to MR T2. Now, assuming that there is no change in temperature, okay, and mass remains the same, R remains the same, so we can say that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Okay, so now for this kind of a system, the system is getting changed. So let me just draw it like this. So you have pressure 1, it is being expanded to this position. So it is initially having, let us say this is PV. So initially it was V1, now it is expanded to V2. So pressure will get reduced from P1 to say P2. So the area under this curve is called work done. So work done is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2. Now, just hold on for a second, students. Headphone निकल जाता है. Okay, sorry. So as I was saying, so if WD is negative, what does this mean? And if WD is positive, what does this mean? This means work is done on system. Work is done on system. Whereas this means work is done by the system. Okay, so work done by the system and work done on the system. Like example is, if this is being expanded, okay, then it is the work is done by the system. So what work is done? The work is done by pushing this piston out. Now, if this same setup, if we are saying that this is the initial position and this is the second final position. Then we are pushing the piston up so that the gas is being entrapped and the pressure is increased. So this is work done on the system. Okay. Any doubts up to this point, students? Okay. So recently I have been giving some mod test. So in that mock test, there was one question. Okay, let me share that question with you. So question is, there's a balloon having pressure P1 equal to 50 megapascal and is put in a vacuum space. Okay, the balloon hits a sharp edge and thus loses its strength and blasts. So what is the work done by the air? So who will tell me this answer? Who will tell me the answer?